been doing this here for a while now. Wow, but I think we need to talk about that time. It's been 10 years. 10 long years.
Yo, woke up to the boom, a zoom, zoom. Say we all like all of the lights, but don't assume the rent just too damn high for this tune. Got a nigga feeling like I'm living out the living room. And I'm tired of being frugal, a lot of oodles on my noodle. Tired of this rich white lady in a poodle. Shitting on the sidewalk every time that I walk by. Why you gotta leave it there to fry? Fuck a fire escape, I need a fire escape. Give me trees with a breeze, an entire state. If I had a little peace of mind, I could be great. Sitting in a traffic jam, know I'm about to be late. And does America run on Dunkin' or Starbucks? Capitalism to bombard us. Call me a hippie, this shit is getting too gritty. Man, it's word of my titties, I'm getting out of the city. 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 Yeah. I'm getting out of the city. 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 Yeah. I'm getting out of the city. Now I don't wanna take the train or the whip. Rather take a dip in waters I can sip. Oh look, it's street meat fresh off the stick. Blech. I think I'm gonna be sick. I think I gotta go quick. Before I gotta jump ship. Pigeons on my linen, man, this shit ain't really living. See a lot of broken dreams when you walking down the strip. Cause everybody rocking a frown. Kings without crowns. Everybody wanna be found. The kids just ain't alright. With cats is quick to slip roofies and to slip into the night. Tower so high I can't even see the light. We can live it so wrong we can't even see the right. Itchy and bitchy, I mean the scene isn't pretty. I'll be happy and giddy when I get out of the city. Damn. I'm getting out of the city. 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 Getting out of the city. I'm getting out of the city. I'm getting out of the city. City, never sleep, work and earn your keep. Now I got that insomnia. Never take a bite, rotten apple like waking up in LaGuardia. Yeah, I walk around like fuck this town. Can't believe I ever wanted to run this town. I'ma hop into a Chevy when I slow this down. Leave it all in the rear view, homeward bound. Gave you years, but what you gave me back? Just a whole lot of bills and a panic attack. Get a whole lot of feels when the panic is back. And I'm thinking the whole land of granite is whack. Concrete jungle is a human zoo. I want acres in the back, I don't know about you. Getting too much, yeah, it was getting too shitty. Yeah, finally Nitty is getting out of the city. To the land of silicone and construction zone.